Nestled in the heart of southwest China's Guizhou province, the breathtaking Huangguoshu Waterfall, Asia's largest, set the stage for an adrenaline-filled sporting spectacle. The first Huangguoshu Waterfall International Canoe Slalom Extreme brought together nearly 100 elite athletes from around the world, including competitors from France, Germany, the United States, the Czech Republic, Italy, Slovenia, and China. Against the roar of cascading waters, athletes battled nature's power through treacherous currents, sharp turns, and unpredictable rapids in both the Wildwater slalom and long-distance challenges. The natural beauty and fierce energy of Huangguoshu created an unmatched backdrop for courage, precision, and endurance. This two-day event tested not only speed but also adaptability, as changing weather and terrain demanded every ounce of skill and concentration. For spectators, the race delivered both thrilling action and stunning scenery, showcasing China's growing commitment to hosting world-class outdoor and extreme sports events. As the kayaks cut through the white water beneath the mist of the falls, Guizhou once again proved that its natural wonders are the perfect arena for international adventure and friendship.
有很多人在这儿翻船了。我们看一下这个选手，现在你看下来他是有坡度的，他可以选择，哎，这个选手是个高手，在中间还做了一个空翻的动作。我们说这个比赛先声夺人，那么近100名选手来参赛，这里边有很多都是国际的顶尖高手或者是世界冠军。大家齐集在这个大瀑布下边，一方面呢是为了竞技，为了比赛；另一方面，我觉得更重要的就是要在大自然的面前，在穿越大瀑布以后呢，来体验一下这个挑战